Working in BIM coordination and dealing with NCP ClashPoint files from Navisworks. These document spatial conflicts in construction projects. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to use these Navisworks ClashPoint files. I want to share my favorite troubleshooting shortcut. Use a dedicated NCP file viewer to check the file's integrity. I'll point you toward the most powerful option below. A NCP file is generated by Autodesk Navisworks during a clash detection analysis in a 3D model. It stores the specific locations and details of where different components, e.g., pipes, walls, interfere with each other. Users need this file to review, manage, and resolve design conflicts in complex projects. The NCP file is a binary proprietary data file designed for efficient storage and rapid loading of clash result metadata. It contains pointers and coordinates that reference the main Navisworks model files, NWC, NWF, rather than duplicating geometry, making it a lightweight and performant way to manage thousands of clash points. Most users will find that Autodesk Navisworks developed by Autodesk Inc. is the best tool for NCP. The file's embedded objects and layers require specialized software for full access. Windows may preview only a static image, so full model analysis requires 3D viewing tools. Your most critical first action is the file association test. Right-click the NCP file and choose Open With. If Autodesk Navisworks is on your machine, test it. If not, choose another program. We must find the right software. When your NCP file isn't responding, don't worry, it's typical. The file is winning so far. Time to fight back. Let's quickly run through a series of focused tests on these common NCP failure areas. First, opening in Navisworks. Launch Autodesk. Navisworks manage and open your federated model NWF or NWD file. Use the Clash Detective panel to import the NCP file containing saved clash results. The clash data integrates into your current session, displaying clash points in the 3D model with associated comments, status, and resolution information from previous coordination sessions. Next, reviewing clash results. Open the Clash Detective panel after loading NCP data. Browse the clash list to review individual clashes with their associated 3D viewpoints. Click clashes to navigate the 3D view to the conflict location. Review comment status and assignment information to understand the coordination history and current resolution state for each spatial conflict. Finally, exporting for reports. Export NCP clash data to reports using Navisworks reporting tools. Generate XML, HTML, or PDF reports listing clashes with screenshots, descriptions, and metadata. Distribute reports to project teams for review and resolution. Custom report templates accommodate specific project requirements, ensuring clash documentation meets owner, contractor, and design team needs. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. At this point, I recommend our one-click fix, the Universal Viewer. My top recommendation is FileMagick. It opens almost any format and is available right now at filemagick.com. Thank you for being a subscriber. If you're new here, tap that button for more specific file format guides.